Hi, I'm Kathy, and I've been learning YouTube, AI, and tech for the first time at 55. I thought it might be fun to flip the script and let ChatGPT interview me instead of the other way around. I didn't plan my answers, I just hit record and gave it a shot. So if you're over 50 and wondering if you're too late to try something new, this one's for you. Hi, ChatGPT. I'd love for you to interview me today for my YouTube video, and I'm recording this right now. Can you ask me questions about starting a YouTube channel over 50?
Absolutely, Kathy. I'd be delighted to jump in and be your interviewer. Let's get you rolling. So for the first question, let's start off with something simple. What inspired you to start a YouTube channel at this stage in your life?
I started becoming fascinated with AI and ChatGPT when I was using it for my Corgi Ramsey's TikTok account. And I just found it useful for other things around my house, for meal planning and just for budgeting. It was really interesting and I wanted to learn more. So I thought, I wonder if there are other people my age who would be interested in learning technology right alongside of me.
I love that. That's such a relatable inspiration. All right, let's roll right into the next question. How do you think your perspective, as someone over 50, actually brings a unique twist to the YouTube space?
The percentage of YouTubers that are 20 to 30 extremely outweigh the YouTubers that are over 50. I just wanted to try to inspire other people just like me, 55. I have no technology background. I never even owned a computer. This was my first laptop that I got when I started YouTube, and I didn't even know how to turn it on. And I just had ChatGPT on my phone while I was setting up my laptop, just walking me through everything step by step. And so I thought it would be interesting just to show other people what I'm learning and how easy it actually is.
Absolutely. And that's such a fantastic perspective to share. I think a lot of hooks are really going to find that both refreshing and encouraging. So let's keep it going. Here's another question for you, video. What's one thing you were most nervous about when you first started, and how did you overcome that?
I think I was most nervous about hitting the wrong button or doing something wrong. I was also kind of afraid of failing at it too. The way that I overcame pretty much all my fears was just doing it, just diving right in and having ChatGPT kind of as my assistant to brainstorm titles and thumbnails and scripts and ideas. That's helped me a lot. I think I was afraid of failing too, but as it turns out, I'm really enjoying this just as a hobby. So if I fail, if I succeed, it doesn't matter anymore at this point. I'm just really enjoying this journey and learning new things. Every single day I learn something new.
That's such a great mindset. And I think that's going to be really inspiring to anyone watching your video. It's all about enjoying the process, right? So for the next question, let's dig a little deeper. What's one piece of advice you'd give to someone over 50 who might be thinking, I'm too old to start something like YouTube?
I would say you're never too old to start something new. You're never too old to learn something new. And starting a YouTube channel, I think, is perfect for people over 50 just to share their life stories. They have a lot of experience. They've gone through a lot. They have a story to tell. And I think that they could help people from simple household tricks and tips, cooking, budgeting, family life, marriage, just being an inspiration. They've lived a long life and have the experience to share.
Absolutely. That's such a wonderful message. And I think it's going to resonate with a lot of viewers out there who might be on the fence. All right, I'll wrap up with one more question for your video. What's been the most fun or surprising part of this whole YouTube journey for you so far?
I think just being so excited to come home from work and start editing a video that I recorded the day before, just adding new and different elements to it, learning different things in Canva, how I could improve on my thumbnail, or just getting excited to film something new, having an idea. I can't wait to get home and start brainstorming with ChatGPT on the title or the script. It's really exciting. I feel like it's given me purpose. I feel like it's changing my brain, and it's helping me a lot. I'm just really excited to learn.
That's fantastic. And I think that energy is going to shine through in your video. So it sounds like you're having a blast and really finding that sense of purpose, which is wonderful. All right, Kathy, I think we've got some great material for your video. Thanks for letting me interview you.